Before you even turn the key, remember, your most important safety equipment is your mindset. Driving a big rig is a huge responsibility. Your attitude shapes every decision. A safety mindset means slowing down, planning ahead, and respecting the road and everyone on it. Don't rush. A few saved minutes aren't worth a lifetime of regret. Know your route, check the weather, and anticipate trouble before it finds you. Understand your limits and your trucks. If you're tired or something feels off, be extra cautious or don't drive. If you notice a problem, strange noise, odd vibration, stop and get it checked. Stay alert. Scan far ahead, check mirrors often, and watch for hazards everywhere. Complacency is your enemy. The moment you relax is when you're most at risk. You're the captain of your ship. See everything, stay sharp. Every trip is a mission. Treat it that way. Professionals are proactive, not reactive. Don't ignore warning signs, yours or your truck's. If you're not 100%, adjust your approach or don't drive. Safety is a habit, not a checklist. Your mindset keeps you and everyone else safe. Respect the job, respect the machine, respect the road. Stay engaged, stay disciplined, that's how you get home safe. The pre-trip inspection is your first defense against disaster. Check all fluids, oil, coolant, washer fluid, and look for leaks. Inspect every tire for pressure, cuts, and wear. Don't forget the trailer. Examine brakes, chambers, slack adjusters, air lines. Listen for leaks. Test air brakes in the cab, compressor, warning signals, parking brake. Walk around and check every light and reflective tape. Clean lenses. Make sure your rig is visible and communicating with other drivers. Inspect coupling fifth wheel locked, kingpin engaged, tug test done. Check electrical and air lines, secure, not dragging. Confirm cargo is secure or seal is intact. Shifting cargo can cause a rollover. Don't skip this. Don't roll until you know your truck, trailer, and load are one safe unit. City driving packs hazards into every block. Tight turns, traffic, pedestrians, low bridges. Increase your following distance. You need more space to stop. Watch your blind spots. If you can't see them, they can't see you. Pedestrians and cyclists are unpredictable. Anticipate their moves. Scan intersections and crosswalks even on green. Take turns wide and slow. Off-tracking can put your trailer on the curb. Know your truck's height and route. Use truck-specific GPS to avoid low bridges. Never guess clearances. If in doubt, stop and check. Backing into docks? GOAL, get out and look. Don't rush or try to be a hero. Stop, check, readjust as needed. Take your time. Safety over speed. Docks and yards are full of hidden dangers. Use your mirrors constantly. If you lose sight of your reference points, stop and look. There's no shame in being careful. City driving is about patience and precision. Protect your truck, your load, and everyone around you. Every move counts in tight spaces. Bad weather turns the road against you. Slow down, double your following distance. Ice and snow, gentle on the brakes and steering. No sudden moves. If it's too bad, park and wait it out. No load is worth your life. Know how to use tire chains before you need them. High winds? Keep both hands on the wheel, slow down, and pull over if you're struggling. Extreme heat? Check tires and brakes. Blowouts and brake fade are real risks. Use your engine brake and downshift on long downgrades. Stay hydrated. Heat exhaustion impairs judgment. Fog, heavy rain, or snow. Slow to a speed where you can stop within your visible distance. Use low beams and four-way flashers. High beams make it worse in fog. If you can't see, get off the road and wait. Visibility is safety. Don't drive blind. Weather can change fast. Be ready to adapt. Your best tool is caution. Hills test your skill. Plan your gear before you climb. Downshift early, keep momentum, and watch engine temperature. Downhill is more dangerous. Use the same or lower gear as uphill. Let the engine brake. Control your speed, not your service brakes. Brake in short, firm bursts if needed. Never ride the brakes. Smell burning brakes? Pull over and cool down. Heed warning signs for steep grades. Those speeds are for your safety. Rural roads? Slow down. Watch for sharp curves, hidden driveways, and wildlife. At night, scan for animal eyes. Don't swerve, brake in control. Soft shoulders and narrow lanes require extra caution. Stay in your lane, even if wildlife appears. Terrain changes fast. Adjust your driving. Anticipate, don't react. Safe hill driving is all about preparation and control. Even with perfect prep, breakdowns happen. Blowout? Hold the wheel, don't brake hard. Let the truck slow, steer to the shoulder. Once stopped, turn on four-ways and set reflective triangles. 10, 100, and 200 feet behind. On two-lane roads, add triangles in front. Call for help. Know your location and describe the problem clearly. Stay in your cab if it's safe, especially on busy highways. Cold weather? Use anti-gel before temps drop. Police stop? Stay calm, hands visible, documents ready. Professionalism matters in every emergency. Don't panic, follow safety steps, and communicate. Your calm response keeps you and others safe. Every breakdown is a test of your training. Fatigue is as dangerous as drunk driving, only sleep cures it. Know the signs: yawning heavy eyelids, drifting missed exits. Pull over and rest. Hours of service rules exist for your safety. Distractions kill. Put your phone away, set GPS and radio before moving. Don't eat messy meals or handle paperwork while driving. Your only job when rolling is to drive. Other drivers will cut you off. Maintain your following distance. If someone takes your space, back off and recreate your cushion. Don't tailgate or get angry. Protect your truck and yourself. Blind spots, no zones, are everywhere. Front, back, both sides. Always signal early, check mirrors, and lean to see around blind spots. Assume someone's always there. A little paranoia keeps you safe. Stay vigilant. Your awareness is your shield. Don't let ego or impatience put you at risk. Share the road, but protect your space. Safety is your responsibility every mile. Safety comes down to planning, preparation, and knowing when to say no. Plan your route, stops, and check the weather. Don't just react. Keep a real emergency kit: triangles, first aid, fuses, chains, blankets, water, food. You might be stranded. Be ready to take care of yourself. Never hesitate to call for help. Delays are better than accidents. You have the final say. If it's not safe, don't roll. Trust your gut. If it feels wrong, it probably is. Your most important delivery is getting home safe. Drive smart, stay prepared, and live to drive another day. That's the mark of a true professional.